Before, I was a senior research scientist at NASA, and long before the World Food Prize changed my life, my husband and I lived on a farm in Italy, raising chickens, goats, pigs, and harvesting olives and grapes. But since then, I've learned that farms like ours aren't just plots of land. Our conception of the farm also has to extend upward to satellites orbiting thousands of kilometers in the exosphere. It has to extend outward to the biolabs, scientists, policymakers, and more, and to all of you. Here's why. For most of history, agriculture has been a long, slow process of evolution. Farmers worked independently, tweaking and perfecting their practices over centuries. But that process of slow adaptation won't work anymore. The climate is changing faster than at any point in the last 10,000 years, any point since the farmer planted the first seed. In 2010, I co-founded an organization called AgMIP. It stands for Agricultural Model Intercomparison and Improvement Project. It's a global network of more than 1,000 researchers who build and use crop models, climate models, economic models, and more. We lean on our community of scientists to share information, and we tap into artificial intelligence to help synthesize all sorts of data, remote sensing, crop modeling, climate data. This approach means better, more responsive science, which leads to better, more responsive farms. These advances are only possible with collaboration. Collaboration between scientists, policymakers, and farming groups. It's the only way to get the information in all of our many AgMIP models to farmers all around the world, the people who really need them. In the end, collaboration is how we sow the seeds of progress.
Please join our next seminar in the Catalyst of Change series on January 16th.